Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. 2025 GMC Sierra. Power, luxury, and efficiency combined. Introduction. The 2025 GMC Sierra continues to set the benchmark for premium trucks, blending rugged capability with cutting-edge technology and refined comfort. Whether you're tackling tough jobs, exploring off-road trails, or cruising the highway, the Sierra delivers a commanding presence and performance to match. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Sierra offers a range of powerful engine options, including an efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder, a reliable V8, and a torque-rich diesel. Advanced towing technology, a smooth shifting 10-speed transmission, and adaptive suspension ensure this truck is just as capable hauling heavy loads as it is providing a comfortable ride. With available 4-wheel drive and off-road focused trims, the Sierra is ready for any adventure. Exterior design. Bold, sculpted, and unmistakably GMC, the Sierra's exterior combines aggressive styling with functional design. A commanding grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aerodynamic body give it a modern, yet rugged appeal. High-end trims showcase exclusive chrome accents, larger alloy wheels, and a multi-pro tailgate that enhances both convenience and versatility. Interior design. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with practicality. Premium materials, a driver-centric dashboard, and cutting-edge technology create a refined driving experience. The available 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system ensure every journey is as entertaining as it is comfortable. Spacious seating, real wood and metal accents, and enhanced noise insulation elevate the Sierra's interior beyond the competition. Fuel efficiency. Despite its power and size, the 2025 Sierra delivers impressive fuel efficiency thanks to its advanced powertrain options and lightweight design. The turbocharged and diesel variants provide excellent MPG ratings, making this truck an economical choice for long hauls or city driving. Engine stop-start technology and cylinder deactivation further enhance efficiency without compromising performance. Conclusion. The 2025 GMC Sierra is the ultimate combination of strength, style, and sophistication. Whether you're looking for a workhorse, a family hauler, or a premium truck that stands out from the crowd, the Sierra has something for everyone. With its unmatched performance, striking design, and cutting-edge features, it's ready to take on the road ahead.